Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screw special from Nissan Navara NP300. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, this cable. Okay, this head unit. Let me show honey set first. Okay, this is canvas box for Nissan Navara and NP300. This special harness. This connector connects to back of head unit ISO harness. And this special connector, you can check. This radio antenna. So BD. Okay, it's plug and play. This connection, this connector connect to harness, to canvas box. This is external microphone. And two USB cable. It's OBD. This GPS antenna. This cable connector and back of head unit, audio cable, audio and video and other cable. Okay. Okay, you can check this back of head unit. Okay, this is so harness, this fuse, this external microphone, this Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna, USB, this radio port, and this connection for cables. Okay, let me connect the power. Make sure connect is okay. What do you need to start? Okay, this front header unit. Okay, you can check this front header unit. Okay, this is power and the volume button. Okay, this is home, this back button, this band, this navy, it's built in Google Maps, and AC buttons, mode, this knob. Okay, back to home. It's built in the microphone, this is microphone, and this is reset hole. Okay, you have navigation. It's built in Play Store and Z-Link. Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store, and the built-in Google Maps. This is easy connection for MirrorLink. It's Z-Link app for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. The navigation, radio. You can search the radio stations. It's music. And this AC information. And this video, Bluetooth. It's an easy connection for MirrorLink. And its settings. GPS, date and time, language, DSP, amplifier, strong bass, sparse, sound field, brightness, user setting, touch tone, you can turn on or off. Okay, steering wheel control system info. This is Android 9 system, RAM 4 GB and RAM 32 GB. Okay, you can change the boot logo. More settings. This Android settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support 4G mobile phone hotspot. PX6 chip. Android 9 system. Okay, let me back to home. Okay. It's AC. It's Car Auto, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can contact us. This volume is brightness. Okay, thank you.